Yes, sir. We back. One stop drip shop. Unboxing in another location, man. Let's get to it though. So y'all see what it is, man. We got some Prada Adidas collab. Oh, these shits is fire. Feel what I'm saying? All black. You know I'm coming Mamba style. Word. I'm on a pray. You know what I'm saying? I might go all black for the year. I ain't decided yet. But you gonna see how I'm coming with these unboxings. You feel what I'm saying? Dark Knight vibes, you dig? But yeah, let's see how we gonna get into these, man. These shits is dope in my opinion. You feel what I'm saying? I had to grip these just for the simple fact of how clean they look. Like, you know what I'm saying? These just clean shoe, leather. I wore these one time, a little try on, check out a little fit. You know what I mean? But the leather on these shits is clean as fuck. Everything, the stitch and everything, man. You feel me? These shits is crazy, bro. I really like the pockets on the front. That was real innovative, you feel me? I like how they coming with these shits. You know what I mean? This might be a quick short, man. Like I said, I got mad unboxing to do. And really, I gotta shoot out the crib, man. I gotta make a move. So I'm like, before I throw these shits on, let me do an unboxing. So I might motherfucking wrinkle these shits up tonight. I don't know. You feel me? But I give these shits a little 7.58. You know what I'm saying? 7.58. Not too crazy. You feel me? Price check. These came up to $9.20, I believe. 9 and some change. You feel what I'm saying? Quick price check. You grab these shits at Prada. You grab them all. Whoever got the Prada Adidas collab, but I went straight to Prada. I went straight to the spot. You feel me? But let me see what else I could tell you about these shits, man. These shits unbuckle, you feel me? But I ain't gonna unbuckle them right now. Like I said, I'm about to throw these bitches on, man. So I am gonna bring you a couple more unboxings. Just watch out for this location, man. You know a nigga was working. You gonna see this couch like 3-4 times, man. That nigga been working. You feel me? So One Stop Drip Shop unboxing in the bando. Let me know what y'all think about these, man. You feel me? Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all think I'm gonna kill these shits. Let me know if these shits is whack. I play myself. Let me know if you wanna fuck with these. Let me know what's going on with these, man. You feel me? Calm little pouch right there. Put you a little 20 sack in there. You know what I'm saying? However you coming. I gotta fix this shit right there. This shit keep looking crooked to me, like. But yeah, man. Help a nigga get to 1,000 subs, man. I wanna start going live, man. I wanna start bringing y'all this shit for real, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna help a nigga build. So I appreciate everything y'all do for a nigga now. I appreciate the likes. I appreciate the comments, all that shit, man. But I ask y'all, keep it coming, man. Keep it coming. Get your nigga to 1,000. All right. 1,000 on these bitch niggas, man. We up. One Stop Drip Shop. This shit a family, nigga. All right. Play ahead to stay ahead. All that shit. Like, comment, share. You feel me? Put your niggas on, man. Put somebody on to this shit. But we up out of here, man. Play ahead to stay ahead. One Stop Drip Shop. Unboxing in a bando. We turn everything to a bando, so don't watch that. You feel me? But yeah, we up out this shit, man. Y'all niggas stay up.